So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a Richard Professional. Today we're going to be learn something like a round layer haircut, and already this hair was something like straightened, and also between the hair was grown, like between the curliness also is there. She was expecting something like a haircut transformation which can be visible, suits very well according to the hair and according to the hair length, and apart from the face shape also she was expected. So that's what I just decided for go for to the round layer haircut. So that is my complete up to the transformation, which will be seen the end of the results, and before also seen the shortest videos. Let's get dive into the directly in the layer cut. So in this majorly it will be 5 sections will be there. The 3 sections we are going to be taking to that, as the crown portion, fringe portion also separated, and the top of the 2 more sections is going to be separating, and back to your every each and every sections are both the 3 wrap them which will be together in one section itself. Incomplete of the 4 sections is just going to be complete to the haircut. So you can just see help after the comb also I'm going to be explaining you guys. So this is pretty much simplest haircut which can be, you can just do anyone, and below shoulder hair it will be ultimately suitable haircut. So this is one of the best haircut for round shape faces. Now we just started to the one length basic from the back, step by step. So after that I pick center profile, and exactly 90 degree I just give into the layers. So as it is vertical section, following the step by step each and every sections as seen, and following the previous guideline, the rest of the hair going to be merged as layers. After that I come to another side. So both the sides got finished, I just cross checking. After that I'll come to side portion. So before starting to the layer, as it is going to just give into that one line basic haircut. So I picked from stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merged in layers. After that I come to another side. So very soon going to be finished the one line basic. And I start with the layering. the stationary guideline from the back, and rest of the hair going to be merged in layers. After that, I release the crown 2 sections. I pick from the stationary guideline from exactly the crown area, and rest of the hair going to be as 90-degree layers. So this is why I'm giving to the round layer haircut for this hair, because the hair density was little bit thick and the hair was little bit of coarse and very frizzy and stubborn hair, and she was expecting for a little bit of good transformation along with the haircut, and its look must be present. So that's what I choose this round layer haircut, which can be visible sufficiently layers, and same time face frame also it will be covered up and it will become so more bounciness and thickening also visible. So that's the regards I choose this haircut for providing to the bit pretty much ambience for to look forwards very good. Both the side sections going to be finished soon. After that, I'm going to cross check. After that, I'm just cross checking. Finally going to be release the fringe. So finally it's completely got finished. I'm just showing to the natural layers. After that, I'm just merging in the sum of the hair in feather layering. After that, I come to another side. So that also is got finished. I'm just showing to complete up natural layers, and finally I start with the blow dry. So I'll come to another side. finally I come to side portion. So finally come to another side portion. If I come to the crown portion, fringe portion, I'm going to finish faster. The last section it will be going to finish the blow dry. So after this it will be, you can just going to be seeing the pretty much exciting for complete of the haircut transformations. It's called in round layers, so I was completely merged in the layers and she got done previously in the straightening as well, and hair texture is pretty much curly, and she was looking for something which will be look clean and neat, and styling purpose also very trendiest look which she was expected. And overall finally this is final look, overall the final look. So from the front you can just see very clean, and finishing was very much nice. The games and face frame also is covering up, and the layer was visible completely blushy finishing and so flexible. I'm just going to be start with a bit of the texture and will be wind up the haircut sessions. And if you have any doubts or any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and for more updates also it's mentioned for descriptions below for updated more advanced layer haircut, and also eye buttons also were mentioned for a lot of videos. Please try to be check it out with those videos as well. And don't forget to follow my Instagram page and Facebook as well. I mentioned to the description below in the links. So please do check it out, and just please let me know in the comments below for upcoming days. So until we'll meet up to the next video, take care and be safe.